Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Here's what we know. Last week we had the appointment of Major General Antony Anderson as the new police commissioner. The Major General brings a wealth of experience, knowledge to the position that he will occupy as of March 19. And from all indications, he has wide-scale national support, even across the political directorate, where so far there has been no element of opposition to his appointment. That is key for us going forward as a nation. And it is not very often that we have these major appointments that you have no significant opposition to. This, of course, is because of the quality of the man himself. He is someone who has studied extensively in areas of engineering and generally military administration. He has studied in the United Kingdom, the United States, and Canada. And even right here in Jamaica, he studied engineering at the College of Art, Science and Technology, which is now the University of Technology. Major General Anderson was recently appointed chairman of the Firearm Licensing Authority. This is after the authority fell into really bad grace sometime, I think last year or thereabout. Early last year thereabouts, and in terms of irregularities there, and he was brought in as a person of integrity with the capacity to make a difference, to bring things back to order, and essentially, while he'll be missed in that regard, and also as a national security advisor to the Prime Minister and the Cabinet, which is a critical position that fits him very well into the role he's about to take up, it does expose him as a person who is really well fitted for the job. Quite notably, Colonel Trevor Macmillan, the late Colonel Macmillan, and Rear Admiral Ardley Lewin were the forerunners in terms of bringing military personnel to lead the force, and Major General Anderson now becomes the third person so to do. In the case of Colonel Macmillan, he would have, like Major General Anderson, been rather close to the administration that he's on which he served under, and so is likely to get the support in terms of resources and other elements to really make a success, because it's been noted that commissioners have been appointed and have not necessarily been supported as well. In the case of Commissioner Quallo, who has been succeeded by Major General Anderson, it's been outlined that somehow he didn't necessarily got the support that he needed, but also perhaps didn't bring the level of determination to the job that many would have anticipated. Indeed, the last person, the person presently in the position, Deputy Commissioner Clifford Blake, has in a very pronounced way made a recent move which has shown that apart from resources, simple determination to find solution in terms of flooding the corporate area with cops, including young recruits, and that has really resonated well with the public. So it is for Major General Anderson to really strategize and focus on implementation going forward. And I'm sure the Calabar old boy, who has studied extensively in many countries of the world, is now looking forward to the task of making a real difference, because we're at a stage as a country where if we don't get it right, then we have a really serious problem on our hands with the crime monster that has besetted the country for quite some time now.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.